Who do I see? Yeah? Hello? Hi guys, what are you doing? Guys, did we get really wet outside?
Yeah, it was raining.
What was it like?
It was like a storm.
Yeah? And who got the wettest?
I got the wettest.
Yeah? Tzviya, was it raining outside? Achinoam,
No.
was it raining?
Storm.
And there'll be a storm? Gedalya, was there barad? How do you say it in English, barad?
Hail.
Was there hail on our car?
Yeah.
What was it like?
It was like all things that go like this. It hurt our car like this.
Yeah?
Little hill. Snowstorms come out of the sky and swoop, and they go on cars.
And ploop?
They go on cars.
Yeah?
And we went to the house. That's how the barrage goes.
And that's what just happened to us? Well, what just happened?
It was very dangerous over there.
Yeah?
It was very dangerous, so I could tell you in the story.
Who are you talking to, Tzviya?
The sister.
What do you want to tell her? Achinoam, what do you want to tell? Achinoam? Achinoam? What's so funny?
I love you, Gedalya and Achinoam.
Okay, everyone say bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye. This is a video for Tzviya and Savta, and all our Tzviyas and Savtas, and all our boobies, and all our Savta rabbits.
Mama,
And all our grandmas and all our Grammys.